swans of flight molly, catch a good jaws and lashing yell, catch a good jaws and lashing yell.
By way of introduction to the video which you are about to see, I want to introduce myself. I'm Gearóid Ó Maonaigh of Na Mooneys. I filmed this video and Manus Lunny recorded the music for the video in his studio. The challenge was to video the process, or video what we were going to do, record it properly, to come up with a song, a new song, and to come up with a new tune. So eventually what we did come up with was I composed a poem which I sent on to my sisters. My sister Anne, she had a melody for it. She changed the poem around a little where the last line of each verse was repeated. So that turned into the song. We were helped, of course, with in the arrangement Mairéad, Manus, Nia, Ciarán and Caitlín came along, and they had nice music and nice arrangement.
I worked on the tune for Gearóid's song. Gearóid wrote the lyrics, and I put the air to it. And that was the first time I did that. And yeah, it's not a bad effort. I'm happy.
And the song that I really love, the finished version of the song, the between the lyrics but the melody that they put to the song as well. So I helped out with the instrumental part of that, but it's only a very small part of it really, but I love being part of it.
Is we dúil mhór against the Fáilte, sé jazz agus Nia harmony sa studio leis, so bhí sin galant a tháinig sé steag jazz leis an nuair agus chur Anna me dhearfar Anna chuir sé seo fun galanta leis an nuair agus tá me dín tainta sest leis an nuair.
Is jazz an rud nuair a thugann duine órán nó píosa cheol nó chomadit, tá deis an bheith chrúthaithe.
Shula swans of flight molly, catch a good jaws and lashing yell, catch a good jaws and lashing yell. Never be the soul shnagrian, giving glasses is glan, giving glasses is Shula swans of large molly, catch a good jaws and lashing yell, catch a good jaws and lashing yell. Yalier be little in your galley, this blank is real to nagivnyam ort, yalier be nagivnyam. Swans of large molly, catch a good jaws and lashing yell, catch a good jaws and lashing yell. A better watching the weather, no let the lies of this major. Shulas duans of large molly, Kalchukujos and Nashlinya, Kalchukujos and Nashlinya. Shulas duans of large molly, Kalchukujos and Nashlinya, Kalchukujos and Nashlinya.
So this unique period of time that we're all living through during this COVID-19 pandemic has given some of us opportunities that we wouldn't otherwise have. So for me personally, from a music point of view, it has given me a lot more time to listen and to practice. I wouldn't be the best now at practicing composing tunes, but actually from beginning to end. I would always sort of compose bits here and there, or maybe the odd line of a song or something, but to put together complete project is lovely. So I've composed a couple of jigs and some marches, as well as working on the project that we did specifically for the Earagail Arts Festival, which was the instigator of it all, I suppose. So once you start the process of that creative process, it actually becomes easier and easier.
So, rí COVID in the jig. Vín tréis sin Jackar go leor na ro?
Níor the sound of boiling.
Har me siab de boilu. Ví ní ceart go leor a ní ro me se róai. Lach se tumultu sinnim agus ceol. Agus ví se mai go ro ní agam na vín really fridiela. I found COVID, the lockdown, very hard at the beginning. How did you feel?
I was okay.
Yeah, you seemed okay about it. I was worried about her, but she was fine. And I didn't play for the first month, I think. Nia was playing away, but I wasn't. I found it very hard to be creative and to play or to sing. I was very affected by the whole thing. But got over that.
Well, linn an tréimhse seo go raibh muid a lig sáile linn an lockdown bhí beirt gan an gcuidóir le Frankie agus Rosie, so bhí sé sinna gonát gnóthach muid, but bhí muid ag gobar ag an am céine, so bhí Ciarán ag gobar go lean aimsir agus bhí mé héna gobar whenever I could squeeze it in here and there. Bhí mé tafod ranganí. I was recording lessons throughout the whole lockdown for my concertina lessons website, and lots of other projects and bits and pieces going on. We did some live online concerts and lots of stuff like that, but mainly my website lessons.
That's a great answer, because I can't add to that.
Ciarán then had a mazurka which he composed, and Caitlín had a jig which Ciarán claims to have finished the second part of it. So we played the mazurka, we played the jig, and Mairéad and Nia had composed a reel, which they called Ciarán Ó Maonaigh.
Yeah, suppose put you under a wee bit of pressure to come up with the composition, but it was good, and I suppose my input into it, I came up with two tunes, a mazurka, and well, I came up with the mazurka, and then you came up with the jig.
Did I?
Well, you came up with the jig first, and then I heard Caitlín playing the jig, and then I changed it. So the two of us came up with the jig.
But I didn't know he was changing it.
I can lay claim to the B part anyway. It's all about the A part.
I think you improved it though, in fairness, so you made it a better tune. The tunes, yeah, it was great to hear the different compositions coming from yourself and Mairéad, and Annan, and I enjoyed playing along with them, definitely. And
Chumid riile chéile agus sin na cat. Chumid riile chéile agus chumid Ciarán na Gaeltacht. We composed a reel together, and Nia doesn't speak much, so did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we just sat down and composed, and we thought we wanted something in the Donegal tradition. So sinna rud a hanig má Ciarán na Gaeltacht.